You know when a mosquito bites you on the lip, you didn't feel it, but the next thing you know, you've got a big fat lip, or it certainly feels like it. Like you've been to the dentist. Well, it's the same with sometimes you get a thorn in your foot, and that's one of the downsides of barefoot running. So you do get thorns in your feet. Usually you can just pull them out, or even more often than that, they just stay in there and dissolve, and you don't notice them really. But occasionally you get one which is bloody sore, and you can't see it. It's in there, just like that mosquito bite. You didn't feel it go in. You don't know where it is, but you just got the pain of it. And I want to dig it out, but I'm going for a swim in the Thames now, so I don't need any breakages in my skin. When it's like that and you can't see it, you just have to dig into the skin and just pull everything out. And eventually, hopefully, the thorn will come out too. It's clearly just sitting on a nerve, and it's a bloody nuisance. You try and ignore it, and then every so often something pokes it, and it's out, and it makes you run wrong then because you're protecting, subconsciously even, you're just trying to protect your foot all the time, which makes all the running dynamics go wrong. And actually, I think I can see it. I can. Right, when I get back from the swim, I'm going to get in there with a pokey thing and dig it out.